Hey, what's going on, everybody? I'm Chris. I'm here with Kathy. We are Ginger Marvin on Instagram and YouTube. We have another What Sold video for you today. This is for Tuesday. Yesterday was President's Day, so there was no post office open yesterday. So we said we were going to take these in the morning, and we ended up not doing that. So we're just going to go ahead and add to this and take them off to the post office today. Just didn't get the time to do that this morning. But we're going to go ahead and follow Kathy around and see what's sold between then and now.
Hey guys, I just sent a bunch of eBay offers. Let's see if anyone accepts before this is over. Okay, but first up, so I had 4 eBay sales since yesterday. So I'll pull this one just so you don't need to see my messy closet again. So, you remember this guy from my bin stimulus check challenge, the Eddie Bauer Goose Down parka? I did get it washed up, and it was in really good shape, other than I noticed like some paint. It looked like paint. I said it was paint in the listing, so I listed it a little lower than I would have if it didn't have that on it, but it still sold for $68.76 plus shipping in less than a week, so really good sale there. Definitely look out for any down jackets, really, but Eddie Bauer's like a trusted, well-known brand. So, all right, and then box DL.
Up very top shelf.
Oh, my least favorite.
The least favorite boxes. That was originally a temporary space until I built more shelves, and it's kind of become its permanent home.
So I sold another pair of these cloth and stone wide leg linen pants. So I have $7 into them from the Marshalls yellow tag sale. They sold for $34.36 free ship, and I think they're gonna ship out around $4.50 or so. All right, then I sold a hat for a very low price because our hat basket is very full.
Yeah.
And we have a bunch of hats in our tub that we need to wash, so I'm trying to get rid of some of these older ones.
Maybe it'd be kind of cool to put like a rack up above the closet there, hang all the hats on, or along the wall there too. Yeah,
that'd be cool.
We've been kind of thinking about somewhere for our mugs too, because
or all the way up there.
We have all the mugs in the corner over there, and I was thinking maybe some kind of wall mount for that. Put them a little bit more on display.
Random wall up there.
What?
Like that. I guess it wouldn't be straight.
On the angled wall up here?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Alright, so this was just a hat from the bin, so it's like Rockies, but also had the little mountain and the baseball on the front. And this has been listed for months at this point. It's not part of the stimulus check challenge, just older bins item, and it sold for $7.99 plus shipping. So I only had about $1 into it, and I'm happy to see it go, so happy with that. And then I was
gonna say, also don't mind these shoes
ones,
here.
Well, this one, what we can just say this one really quick.
Okay.
This one did sell. These ones I was just working on getting packaged up. These are some Zara shoes. So we actually pulled these and put them in my JBF pile yesterday. And then somebody put them in their cart on Kidizen, so I dropped the price down to $15. I think they were listed at $25 free ship. But since I was taking them to JBF, I dropped the price all the way down to $15 because I just wanted to get rid of them.
Yeah.
I bought these at TJ Maxx a very long time ago. I bought 3 pairs of Zara shoes for $5.99 each, and they just didn't sell. They're all different. They were all cute. I thought they were cute. But yeah, they never sold. They've been listed on all platforms. They've been favorited and carded multiple times, but nobody bought. So anyways, she bought them at the $15 free ship. So after that, I make $9.31, so $5.99 into $9.31 is not great after 2 years, but I didn't lose money, so we're good with that. And then my last eBay sale for today was in box CO, and that just came in before we started recording.
Here, Colorado box.
This is another old item that I'm just getting money back on, but
If it's old, it's probably worked its way down to the bottom of the box.
probably. So this is the brand Bobo's. You'll see it on the screen. It's very fancy how you say it, and I'm not gonna
It's
say
French, right?
Yeah,
Is this the Bobo shows?
Yeah, we tried that.
We're not sure how it's pronounced, but we can spell it, and that's all that matters, right?
So
At least for online selling. On YouTube, we kind of look like fools if we don't know how to say it, but we don't care.
these I bought off Kidizen a very long time ago. This shop had a bunch of really nice name brand stuff. She was selling it off very cheap, so I bundled a ton of it, like 10 items. They came out to around $10 a piece, so I have about $10 into this. All the other pieces sold off fairly quickly. This one I got February 2 years ago, so that's how long I've had it. And it finally sold. I've been dropping the price. This brand normally sells $30 to $40, so this finally sold for $14.95 plus shipping after 2 years. So didn't lose money, basically just breaking even. I'm okay with that because I did make money off all the other pieces that I flipped from her. So yeah, so that was it for eBay today. And then the Zara shoes were it for Kidizen today. Then I had some more Poshmark sales, CW. And this one's actually going to a viewer, Tori. Thank you so much. She bought this Billabong shirt for her daughter. It has the rainbows down the sleeve. I sold several of them at this point. This one, I think I had them listed at 18. She offered me 14 and I accepted. And then she wrote me a message saying that she watches our videos. So thank you, Tori, so much. Hope your daughter loves that shirt.
Yes, thank you so much for the support, Tori. We really appreciate it.
And box CE. As you can see, we're just clearing out some old stuff.
Yeah.
This is another not really great sale, but this is something I just relisted on Posh, which is something I don't do often enough, which I want to be better about it. But yeah, this has been listed over 2 years. I got it at Goodwill for $3.99. It's an Anthropology. I don't even know how you say it. It's one of their brands. You'll see it on the screen, but yeah, I dropped the price, relisted it on Posh, and then somebody finally offered me $12, and I accepted because I paid $3.99 for it. I just wanted my money back at this point.
Yeah.
So yeah. Alrighty, and then I think that was it on that side. And I sold a pair of bogs. I'll try and box W. These I just picked up a few days ago. I paid $7 for them, and they sold for an offer of $35. Somebody offered me on Posh, so they also paid the ship there. So I make $28, so about a $20 profit. It's pretty good. I love selling kids bogs. They usually sell super fast. And then box CS. These are some La Sportiva men's shoes. I probably could have got a little more on these, but they've been listed probably a month at this point. And this was the first offer I got. So when I got it, I was like, it's kind of low. So I rechecked comps, and there was some selling at about this price. So I accepted. I think I had them listed at 70. Somebody offered me 40, and I accepted. So I only paid $10.99 for the shoes from Goodwill. So I was happy with the profit and to make some space. So yeah, that's a really good brand to look out for, even for kids shoes. Every time I've sold it, it's sold fairly quickly, definitely within 90 days. I said those were listed for a while, but when I say a while, like if it doesn't sell in the first week, I start to get a little depressed. So those were still within the first 30 days, I'm pretty sure. All right, and then box K.
Right there.
Right, this was not the best sale, but again, moving stuff out. This is a Broncos tank top I got at the Goodwill bins on my birthday trip up in Denver. So I only have about $1 into it. It sold for $7. That's an offer someone sent me on Mercari. They also sent the offer with a message saying, so sorry for the low offer. COVID's really done a number on them, but they love the Broncos and would love the shirt. So I was going to accept the offer either way, but the message definitely made me push it quicker. So yeah. And then I sold, so that was it. Oh, that was Mercari. So these are the last for Posh. Mercari, then we have 2 more Mercari sales. Box CM. These are just some Tora jeans, and they sold for $20 plus shipping. I paid $7 for these at Salvation Army, so about a $10 profit or so. And then last sale, BU. Here. These are just some women's Sperry water shoes, and I did pay $12.99 for these. I normally would not do that, but the reason I did is because I had returned something else to this store, and they only give store credit. And it's not a store I go to that often, so like I knew I wouldn't have been back there anytime soon. And literally the only pair of shoes or anything I could find to spend my credit on was like these. Like they were, I knew I could at least make back my money. So yeah, I bought them. They did sell for $26 plus ship, so made a little profit there. But yeah, I mean they're a nice pair of water shoes. They're just Sperry though, so obviously I knew they weren't going to sell for a ton, but that is what's sold.
All right, so we're going to go ahead and get that stuff packed up and ready to ship, and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. Got that stuff all packaged up, ready to go to the post office. So we're going to head out and do that. I think it's about 3 o'clock, so we're a little bit ahead of the game today, but we're going to get that stuff taken off. You'll probably notice in the next coming up videos, we're going to be trying to clearance out. Well, we have been kind of clearancing out some stuff. You've probably noticed a lot of the stuff is going for lower than we would like, but we're just trying to clear some space. We're kind of trying to prepare for Facebook Marketplace. And yeah, I think we were talking, we might end up doing more than just shoes on Marketplace at first. We might try to get some of our stuff that we've had for, 2 years or more, maybe even a year or more, going and just getting that stuff clearanced out, because I know the fees are super low right now, right? So it would make sense to get that stuff out the door cheap there, maybe get some good reviews to get started and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, that's what we're going to be working on, and I think that's going to do it for today. So thank you so much for watching, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.